morning. So I need some coffee, but we've come to this place, Al Fanar, for an Emirati breakfast. And we had to have everything on the menu explained to us, but thankfully they did explain everything. So hopefully I can explain everything to you too. We're starting with some beans. We had a choice of chickpeas, broad beans, or like a bean salad or something. So I chose broad beans. Nenya also chose broad beans. Is it good, Nenya? I'm not really a bean in the morning kind of person, but
it's okay.
It has a navy bean quality to it. The skin is very thick. I'm so terrible. Like, the skin is really thick, but I like the inside, so I'm just like eating the inside of the bean. So we got a big spread of food. It's a lot of food, probably more than we can eat. I got sweet noodles. It looks like it has an egg or an omelet on it. So sweet noodles with an egg. This is like sweet bread. It has dates in it. What is that, Neng? Oh, it's like scrambled egg with tomato. Lamb, and then like Indian bread. So it looks good. Thing I forgot to mention is that the sweet bread came with sweet date syrup. I'm happy with this. That breakfast was huge, and it only comes out to about $13 each for each of our breakfasts. And I didn't finish everything. I thought it was really good. Welcome to the Dubai Mall. When I think of Dubai, I think of shopping and spending money, and there's no better place to do that than the Dubai Mall. And it's huge. I'm looking for a specific coffee shop that has camel milk, and I am having a lot of trouble finding it. And I'm gonna have to give up soon because I have an appointment in like 2 hours to go up the Burj Khalifa, and I hear finding that's not easy either. So I need to give myself like, I think over an hour to get there. Isn't that crazy? After spending a while wandering around the Dubai Mall, I finally found the camel milk cafe I was looking for. Once there, they let me taste the camel milk as well as every flavor of camel milk ice cream. This is pure camel's milk. It doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't really smell like that. You know, it tastes a lot like regular milk to me.
That one is very light, by the way.
This is the chocolate camel milk ice cream. It's good. It's very light. Yeah, it's not light. Too rich or
exactly.
Vanilla.
We also have the saffron one here. The saffron is the spice.
Oh, saffron. Yeah. That sounds good. The vanilla is really good.
Strawberry here.
Saffron, very light, good. Strawberry is good.
Pistachio.
Pistachio. It really brings out the creamy.
Yeah, and that is dates, the fruit from here.
No, I think I like the vanilla best.
The vanilla.
I'm gonna get the vanilla because it just tastes so creamy.
Yeah.
I got my camel milk vanilla ice cream. It's so creamy. You know, the camel milk doesn't taste that much different to me than regular milk. They say it's healthier. Got some camel milk chocolate also as gifts. Don't tell Ahmed. Now I have to find the Burj Khalifa before my time is up. There are a lot of lines and we're in a long line to get in the elevator. It's supposed to be the fastest elevator in the world and the tallest building in the world. Was $45. The ticket I paid for isn't actually for the tippy top. I'm at floor 124 right now, and then we could go to 125, but this has a little better view. And you can see there's more tower above me. So my friend Nanya offered to buy me a fancy dinner, and so I ended up picking a place that's right on the fountain next to the Burj. So if this isn't fancy, I don't know what is. Cheers. Cheers. So they started us off with some tabbouleh, looks like mushroom salad. And za'atar, I think it's called. It's like bread with like a spicy paste on it. They just brought out a feast. It covers all of the 2 tables, an entire feast. They just brought out, and I don't think that's everything. And there were like 4 guys. We were like surrounded. We were like surrounded by guys bringing things from the left, from the right, from the left, from the right. It's like, I'm sorry, I surrender. We're trying to taste everything on this table, but they're telling us like the next course is going to come out in 5 minutes, and then after that, there's the main course comes out in 15 minutes. It's like, how is this not everything? There's baba ganoush looking stuff, cauliflower, eggplant, hummus, fish, raw meat, pickle thing, lebna, vegetables, tomato thing, wheat thing. Is that tabbouleh?
Yeah.
And then they brought out some other little piecey things, like little breads. I can't even show you everything they're gonna feed us because it's happening too fast. And I'm gonna feel really guilty, like not eating all this food, but what can we do? I guess that's the luxury of Dubai. So one of the interesting things is Nenga tells me that all this food is the cold meze, cold meze, and then there's a hot meze, and then the main course. So just to tell you what we're in for.
This is chicken, rice, and nuts. Ice cream with girl hair, we call it.